Hi guys, welcome to my first drawing video. I don't know exactly why I started with this video because I don't draw traditionally very often. I'm a digital artist usually, so my traditional art is not super great, but here we are. So I started off this drawing with a mechanical pencil. I think the lead size was 0.7, and I'm drawing on mixed media paper. I find that it does really well with Prismacolor markers, which you'll see in a little bit. I'm just using a regular eraser to kind of lighten the drawing before I start inking it. I am inking here with my Micro Pen, and it's pink color. I don't know if it has an official color name. I can't find it, but it's a size 1 micron in the color pink. I didn't really have an idea of where I wanted to go with this drawing. I just wanted to draw something cute and chibi-ish, and wanted to test out my new Micron and some Prismacolor markers. I'm not the greatest at inking. I find inking traditionally really hard, probably because my hand's pretty shaky. So yeah. There's no Control Z in traditional drawing, which is unfortunate. But, you know, the more you do it, the better you get, I guess. I like to line everything first, usually with 1 or 2 passes, and then I'll go back and fill in other areas with darker lines, do some hatching here and there, just to kind of make the form more 3D, I guess. Give it a little bit more life. But yeah, like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing very well because I don't draw traditionally that often, but it's fun to try, it's fun to play around with. Oh look, clothing folds, which I just completely made up because like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing, but it seems to work out most of the time. Just put random folds here or there. I'm not exactly sure what else to say, so I'll just let you enjoy the video for a little bit without me talking. Okay, bye. Honestly, at this stage, I kind of wish I would have just left it as a pen and ink drawing. I really like it here before I add color, but you know, can't do much about that now. So here I'm using 3 different colors in my Prismacolor markers. The color I am using right now is called Process Red. PB1 is the number on the marker. Although it looks a lot pinker here, but. And then the turquoise blue color, or I guess it's aqua according to the marker, it's called Light Aqua PB46. And then the orange marker is just called Yellow Orange PB15. So I'm using the Process Red to go in and fill in the shadows, and I really wanted to keep the color scheme simple. I like using limited colors. I think it makes drawings more interesting, and also I suck at coloring traditionally, so the less colors the better usually. So I'm just going in and adding accents to like the straw, her eyes, the jacket, the juice box. It's supposed to be an orange on the juice box, but you can't really tell, but oh well. Then I'm adding some sort of a background to kind of ground the whole drawing. Didn't turn out great, didn't really have a plan, so that's my fault. Oh, for the white highlights, I'm using a Jellyroll White pen, and the other pen I'm using is a Pen Touch White. I think it's a paint marker. The Sakura brand, the same people that make the Microns, also made this pen. They work pretty much the same. I find that the white paint pen, the white comes out a little bit more opaque. I guess that's to be expected from a paint pen though. But those are the 2 whites that I'm using to make the highlights and stuff. So yeah. Well, I guess we're at the end here. Thanks for watching. Hopefully the videos I put out after this are a little bit more higher quality. I'll probably throw some digital drawings out soon-ish. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.